Name the granulocytes. Neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. Which WBC is responsible for phagocytosis of bacteria? Neutrophils. 2 to 4% of all WBCs. Eosinophils. Which WBC releases histamine and heparin? Basophils. A WBC that is important in immunity. It is agranular. Lymphocyte. A WBC that is important in phagocytosis. It's agranular. Monocyte. When it leaves the bloodstream and goes into the tissue, it is a macrophage. Wait. When it leaves the tissue and goes into the bloodstream, it's a macrophage. Normal female hematocrit. (37 to 48%). Normal female hematocrit, 37 to 48%. Concentration of a solute is blank proportional to the logarithm of the amount of light transmitted, indirectly or directly. Indirectly. What comprises 80% of plasma? Plasma proteins. HC. Plasma proteins. Normal male hematocrit, 42 to 52%. Name the 4 plasma proteins. Albumin, globulins, enzymes, and clotting proteins. The overall concentration of plasma proteins produce what? Colloid osmotic pressure. What allows blood to drop into the heparinized capillary tube? Capillary action. The sequence and type of amino acids determine what? Structure. Usually a spring-shaped alpha helix or ribbon-like beta sheet. Secondary structure. When polymer folds into a unique 3D form. Tertiary structure. Bright red cytoplasmic granules. Eosinophils. This is 60 to 70% of all WBCs. Neutrophils. Which WBC is helpful against parasites and allergens? Eosinophils. What draws water from the tissues into the blood? Colloid osmotic pressure. Low levels of protein plasma causes what? Edema. (3 to 8% of WBCs and the largest of all. Monocyte. 25 to 33% of WBCs, and it varies in size. Lymphocyte. Proteins in their tertiary forms binding together to form what? Quaternary structures. An example will be hemoglobin. What is the largest contingent of the solutes? plasma proteins. Normal count for platelets: 130,000 to 400,000 millimeters cubed. The straight line that you drew on the graph indicates the standard curve. In Beer's law, concentration of a solute in solution is what proportional to the amount of light transmitted, indirectly or directly related. Directly. Normal male erythrocyte count. Normal male erythrocyte count: 4.6 to 6.2 million per millimeters cubed. Normal female erythrocyte count: 4.2 to 5.4 million per millimeters millimeters cubed. 4.2 to 5.4 million per millimeter cubed. This is less than 0.5 to 1% of all WBCs. Basophils. What device is used to measure concentration of solutes in a solution by using light? A colorimeter. What is the equation for Beer's law? Cu equals Cs times Au divided by As.